The following segment is sponsored by DoorDash, Level, and Scott's Miracle-Gro. Spring is a busy time for home improvement projects. Here with some do-it-yourself inspiration is Shane Duffy, HGTV star of the hit show Build It Forward and an owner of a design firm. Shane, welcome to the show.
Good afternoon, Elora. Thank you for having me on here.
Of course. So let's start off with, when does it make sense to do it yourself?
You know, most people are capable of doing home improvement projects. You just need the right tools, the knowledge, the time, and of course the patience. So I tell people and encourage them to go online, look at all these tutorials. There's so much knowledge out there, and my phrase is, you're only one tool away from becoming a DIYer.
I love that. Okay, where is a good place to start on a home improvement project?
The spring is in the air, and Lowe's recently found that 34% of their customers are doing projects related to outdoor living this spring. So instead of going to the store and searching for supplies and spending all that time in store, my tip for everyone watching is to take advantage of the Lowe's and DoorDash partnership that offers on-demand delivery of home improvement needs and DIY supplies from one of their 1,700 stores nationwide. You can add everything at the convenience of your home that you need to your cart, from a grill to gardening shears, and have it delivered right to your doorstep, usually in about an hour on average. And now through April 14th, you can save $20 of orders of $45 or more with promo code LOWES20 exclusively on the DoorDash app.
All right, easy enough. And speaking of ease, what is an easy project that can make a huge difference?
Yeah, you know, owning a home, it's a huge investment, so you want to make sure it's secure and accessible for those who need access. This is a great DIY project, installing a smart lock, level smart lock. I personally have one of these installed in my own home. They're beautifully designed, precision-built smart locks that invisibly embed inside your door seamlessly to fit your style, and make your home access a lot easier. They have a suite of smart locks, including the Level Lock Plus with Apple Home keys, where you can walk up to your door, touch your Apple phone or your watch, and have that door open. Super convenient. And with Level, you get all those benefits of a smart lock without sacrificing design or security.
All right, I'm going to ask you to spill some secrets. Do you have any tips for successful outdoor projects?
Yeah, don't get discouraged. Most people don't even start because they don't think they can create an outdoor garden. And with Miracle-Gro, they're helping people understand that the key ingredient to a successful garden is the right dirt. Miracle-Gro's new product called Organic Raised Bed and Garden Soil is the latest advancement in organic gardening, ideal for growing fruits and vegetables and herbs. They have a quick release natural fertilizer, and it can grow way more vegetables. And with the right product, you know, everyone can have a green thumb. A lot of people get frustrated when things don't look good and their lawn doesn't look great, but you know what? That's common and curable also. The new Scott's Turf Builder Healthy Plus Lawn Food, it's a 2-in-1 fungicide and fertilizer that helps feed your lawn while preventing and defending against 27 different diseases like these brown patches you see that often rear their heads just in time for that peak lawn enjoyment.
Amazing.
Scott's Turf Builder Healthy Plus Lawn and Food is great. I recommend it if you want that best lawn on the block. This is the product for you.
Perfect. Well, Shane, thank you so much for being here today. We've appreciated your tips and having you.
Yeah, thanks for having me. For more information, go to tipsontv.com.
Perfect. Have a great day.
You too.